Hey everyone, I'm Zoe, and today's video is going to be about how I turn a regular wig with a closure into a U-part wig like the one that I'm wearing now. Somewhere in the video I will insert a picture of the original wig and the way it looked. I didn't think to record me wearing the wig before I actually did everything to it. But yeah, basically I'm doing this because I really want something done to my hair, and I don't really have a whole bunch of extra money right now to get my hair done. A lot of y'all are probably thinking, why didn't I just put the wig on? Honestly, the reason for that is I'm just not a wig person, and I've come to find that out. Well, not that I'm not a wig person, because I do wear wigs, just the whole closure thing, it's not for me. I just don't know how to make them look natural. I just don't know how to do it. Like, I've tried my best. I tried plucking wigs and stuff. I've tried tinting it and bleaching my knives. I just can't get behind the whole closure thing. So I'll probably have to end up going to a professional if I ever want a closure done. But yeah, moral of the story is I didn't want to wear a wig with the closure. I wanted my hair done. I didn't have a lot of extra money. And I had this wig, this old wig, just laying around. So I decided to try this out. As you can see, it worked out pretty well. It was really easy. But anyway, without further ado, here is how I created this wig. I'm just starting off with this regular wig that I have. It has a closure, pretty basic. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna show y'all what to do. What you're gonna need to start off with is a part that you've already kind of plucked. So this is kind of where I was wearing the part whenever I was wearing this wig with the closure. So as you can see, it's already pretty plucked, manipulated, all that good stuff. And the reason you want to do that is because cutting in an area that's already plucked is going to kind of cut down on the amount of hair that you're gonna lose. So, moment of truth. So this is step one. So for right now, this is what I have. So the next step after this is gonna be to use a weft sealer and basically go along these lines here. And the reason for that is just to avoid any excess shedding that could possibly happen from us cutting this closure up. It's completely optional, but personally I would go ahead and do that, and I am gonna go ahead and do that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the wefts are sealed, I'm gonna go ahead and sew some clips on, and that'll be the last step. I'm gonna sew on quite a few. I'm gonna sew one here, I'm gonna sew one here, here, and then maybe one in the back. And then I will show you all the finished product and how it looks on my head. Alright, so here are the 3 clips I sewed on. I just turned the wig inside out so that y'all can see, but yeah, it's nothing fancy. I did one here, and then I did one on each side. Yeah, and you can do it to however your liking is. I would recommend maybe even putting 2 on each side when it comes to the hairline, or maybe one in the back. The only reason I didn't go crazy with sewing the clips on this time is because I have a strong feeling that I'm gonna end up just sewing this to my head anyway. Just because I know I'm not gonna feel like manipulating it every day and taking it on and off. But yeah, so this is the finished product, and I will show y'all what it looks like after I put it on. All right, y'all, so here I am. Ooh, I'm ashy. All right, y'all, so here I am after installing the U-part, and this is just what it looks like from behind, the sides. Yeah, so this is pretty much the finished product. after I put the wig on. I'm not the best braider, so it's not laying as flat as it probably could, as y'all know. And this is my first time doing this, so a couple things that I do want to point out. I was originally gonna wear this hair straight. I had straightened the wig before I actually did everything to it and put it on, but I guess because of the closure or the clips or something, or maybe it's because of the fact that I can't braid very well, but this part right here, it doesn't lay as flat as it normally would, or as flat as I would like it. So if you're gonna do this and you're someone like me who's not very good at braiding, I would not go for a straight hairstyle, or else this part is gonna be like, it's more noticeable, do you know what I mean, if you have straight hair and your hair isn't laying flat. So I ended up doing some of my, you know, curls with my bubble wand that y'all saw me do in my previous video. They're not as big as those because this hair was straight before I started curling it. But yeah, I went ahead and curled it, and then I brushed it out so it can have more of like a voluminous wavy look, because like I said, this part is just not laying very flat. So I figured that if I made the hair bigger, it would kind of hide the fact that it wasn't laying flat, if you get what I mean. But aside from that, that's the only issue that I'm having with this. So yeah, I would recommend y'all trying it. At this point, I really just wanted something done to my hair. It's around the holidays, and it's, as y'all know, if you've ever had to buy gifts for anyone, or if you have kids or whatever that you have to buy gifts for, yeah, you're probably broke around this time. So I just needed to do something to my hair. I didn't really necessarily have a whole bunch of extra money to get my hair done. So I just thought of trying this out. And honestly, I'm probably gonna end up going ahead and sewing it down to my head, and having it like that, because these clips are getting on my nerves. They hurt kind of. But yeah, other than that, this is how it turned out. It was a trial of something new, and if I figure out a better or a more updated way to do this, I will let y'all know, make another video. But until then, give me a like if you like this video. If you try this out, let me know how it works for you. And if you have any questions, as always, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.